How to search for friends on BeReal. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to search for friends on BeReal. First open BeReal and now click this icon here in the top corner. Here is it, click on it and then just type here the username, any username you want. And that's it, then just click on it and click add, and that's it, it's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.